We were there, that's why. We were in the way of it. Oh, there's the crow. Hello, crow. Yay, they're all coming now. Come together right now. Over me.
Like they want to eat over there.
So let's get these fries and throw them in the air again, maybe. Or should we just let them keep doing their own thing? I want to see it catch it in the air.
Hey, that's probably very...
Look at them all coming now. Yay. Yay. Throw one in the air. Yeah.
That was a bad idea to throw.
Oh, I scared it. Oops. My bad.
No,
Sorry.
no it's all right.
Let's back up a little bit again then.
You should wait till like it actually like a bunch of them are coming on there.
I always forget again.
Got like, okay.
Yay. Just for you, birdie. You know, yesterday you guys were a lot nicer. Yeah, they were a lot nicer yesterday though. They were like coming over to us and stuff.
Oh, come on. Because I threw it?
Yeah, babe. They're going to think you're throwing it at them.
Alright, I'm going to just put some down.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hello. Hello, birdies. There's still a few seagulls not wanting to come down and join in on the dinner, but that's alright. And they're going to go take it somewhere and then come back. Did they get all of them? Oh, the crow's not taking any. I love birds.
Okay, one more round. Yeah.
I wonder where they're bringing them. Just wait till that one guy runs away first. Or throw it lightly.
And he's gone.
Throw it lightly. He's waiting. He's waiting for it.
There's other ones over here.
Just toss it lightly.
Back is her.
Just toss it. There you go, see? You gotta be faster, dude.
I was just through the cigarette.
Be faster, dude. There you go.
Big one right there. There you go.
There you go, buddy.
I think, well, there's a couple more, but we're just about done.
I love when they run. It's so funny.